and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Pope Francis begins Papua New Guinea pilgrimage with warm welcome and busy schedule. Foundation stone laid for road project ahead of 2025 Synod service. Chief Minister honors arm wrestling champions and announces upcoming football tournament. And farmer receives vehicle under CM Elevate scheme. And now the news in detail. Pope Francis has arrived in Papua New Guinea, landing at Jackson's International Airport in Port Moresby. Greeted by children in traditional attire and local dignitaries, the Pope was met by a large crowd of Catholics who had travelled long distances to see him. During his stay until September 9th, Pope Francis will participate in various activities, including meetings with government officials and leaders, and visit the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians. Special programs are planned to engage with children with disabilities and discussions with bishops and priests from Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands. On Sunday, he will celebrate Holy Mass at Sir John Guy Square, expected to draw tens of thousands of attendees. Following the Mass, he will visit Vanimo to connect with local Catholics and missionary groups. The Pope will conclude his visit with a youth conference before heading to Singapore.
Na Papua New Guinea golong. Tasalol man blong ikam all media line ikam long Vatican. To also I like him this like an fiction. I like swim the world all same na all to block him all up camera blom people that's all emi alright. So here goes the Deputy Prime Minister. Welcome to Papua New Guinea, he says. We are honored to have you here on shore. And Igola Disla now, Deputy Prime Minister, by accompany him or guide him, Holy Father, Igolong all line blong em now all dignitaries was such a blong en, and by introduce him all Igolong Holy Father. Em na this like Commander blong Commodore, blong acting Chief blong Papua New Guinea Defence Force. Naiguanta blong APEC dies, whereby online blong mibla all shortly and online blong mibla long here by soluti mem. That picture of the Deputy Prime Minister and the Holy Father on the dais is a picture of a moment in time in the history of Papua New Guinea.
On September 6th, Hamlet Sondorling laid the foundation stone for a 1.595 kilometers road project connecting Umlinka, Maudumdum and Nongse Silei. This initiative is part of the preparations for the Synod service scheduled for March 2025. In addition to the main road, 5 kilometers of village roads will also be constructed. During the ceremony, Hamlet Sondorling announced that he had coordinated with the Chief Minister's Secretary regarding the road works. The event was attended by key figures including Chief Engineering Badi Langstang, Umlinka Village Hetman, Pastor C. Karbuki of the Presbyterian Church, Chief Clan Thank You and other local elders and women.
Penpau yang jadi dokumen ke bakrau, bah kajing alnur ke baru sem arjar arpuar. Hadian bah ngilayo jengtip bah kesnat kalong hari pomnaka, baga balang presiden lumaka kan pediang ya kesnat. Ngilayo kajing kendu ke bakerbang baga balang kendu baga shnong, badi bas tepan kamtam, bania keren ya kerekam. Hatu kan long kumdu. Namar pisu tu kanuan kat kejiseng sinot. Lar kambiang ka surok, kambiang ka jika parking, kanlang ka jenjar, nam ka balang basnong hi bro kawai. Tiga kermau pak kejai kendu, pak yang balang dalam pastor DMCM, pastor CN Karuki, bak kitmen besan, bagi dekot jaka komti balang pak mereka nilai keren ni kiri kam. Berkawai ke jumut, nilai omba, nistu bak belangkan pedang, yiru hapan testom ba ke depan long ke ikni kasnot. Bad ni ayu yo play. Badi lembah kejeng pelak pilih jong beli. Kakam kalong kumni kumba kalong lenta. Arf aja arf ar dia perkat ya kakam. Wala kejeng kang nak kedian kawan kidon. Reblay sim leno ulur ringkat. Markung ukun kerstan langit. Boblay udah juga plan. Ya ununu ba uih. Kilinti berkat ubrio kilong mar persya iku boblay berkat. Ngamut beniak nak liang kamon. Belai pedin nak liang kadang. Bat upli kena. Ya bangan yok bandon bak ke sorkar. Barabang don bak sorkar ke persem ban pedegap hok ya kata ka. Ya kata ka kam kalau bensyat hanga. Badak kata ke jengmut ila treiston. Ya kena ke sorkar. Kebong mana ibas tepan. Ilani ban kendu ya deputy chief minister ba prostun. Ban ya tu. Ban
The Chief Minister and Khuborjylla, Minister of Sports Development, recently honored the arm wrestling champions from the tournament held in Moldova, Eastern Europe. The award ceremony took place at the KGP Assembly Hall, attended by sports department officials, religious leaders and civil society members. The honored athletes included Senebi Sinkli, Misngo Bharambai, Starina Jaran, Hubert Palyar, Margaret Pathau, Mr. Asia Pacific Senior Category Gold Medalist, and Johnny Nongrum, Middleweight 6th Fighting Championship title holder. India secured 15 medals, with 9 coming from Meghalaya. Minister Khuborjylla expressed pride in the state's achievements and announced that the state government will soon organize an inter-constituency football tournament featuring 60 teams. This event, scheduled after the Meghalaya Games, aims to promote physical fitness and prepare youth for future challenges.
Kajing don rengkat jong di district agriculture officer jungi district horticulture officer jungi baru staff but i way naki beneficiary nak benta keneka prime CM lebih benta keneka kali dengan IT saya ba bonusor sokwai diberi nak Shillong nala parang spo arai marangar tang ni udon nu shabi jong keneka kali but kini ki kot kisla baro ba in yo ban register keneka kali registration we tingin IT kena kapor ban ngikit bok riang beli nang kerpui pi nang la ban kamai pamba nang kumluk sai gi weiru bangin bot kena gijing fresh tom ya elevate la apply kat Islam ter la syak select video guru bodon dok na try jing syak select ke jong hiru kede halor ki jingla ke jong hi pendiang kat Islam video guru bosmat posting na personally rongai chu hai guru ba tristom paminat tuan naging kesem ga 3 minute top na ka bunta garep karyang kamay gaji sa hi kesem tagring kongsa gila ka snow na iru ila pun snow dala de aka bede bat kajing tmu ga jong i korop sekata ka babun ki babun ki nong rep ki jungi law de nong rep sing law ka nong rep sensa law de rep jhur law bede berep kebar how kui kui abang ile chayo shahat kabai kali de kui de barem kata ke de jing sisa abang ikli hayo ikli na ki nong di jingdi gila bande.
On September 6th, Bonisor Sokwai from Nalapara, Riboi district was awarded a vehicle under the CM Elevate scheme to support local agriculture. The vehicle intended to aid in transporting produce from farms to markets was handed over by Mirabon's aim, MLA. A brief meeting at the Nongpo Agriculture Office preceded the handover, attended by Pranjal Datta, Horticulture Officer and other Agriculture Department officials. The initiative is aimed at enhancing agricultural efficiency and promoting farmers' access to markets.
Here to be one of the premier, I must say, a premier hub of education in Nongpo, in which more than 2,200 students are studying here to share their future through the valuable knowledge that will be showered upon each and every one of you through your beloved teachers. I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you, our beloved teachers who are here, a happy Teachers' Day, a belated happy Teachers' Day to each and every one of you. And I hope that God will give you strength, He will give you wisdom, that you can enrich our children with knowledge so that they would be someone who will be shining in days to come. I won't take much time due to the extreme heat today, but there are a few points that I would like to place in front of each and every one of you. We have been
On September 6th, Alpha English Higher Secondary School in Nongpo celebrated Teachers' Day, which officially took place on September 5th. Mr. Mirabon's aim, MLA of Nongpo, was the chief guest at the event. He was welcomed by Kong W.K. Bla, the principal, along with teachers and students. During the celebrations, AIM announced a donation of Rs 5 lakh from the SRWP scheme for the 2023 to 24 year to fund the construction of a new basketball court at the school. The event featured performances by students, including dances, songs and other entertainment programs, honoring the contributions of their teachers.
ni batila ban poi bat ban syam sini kithan yang bernihat circle yang bernihat area jungi sini yang kena liang jungi keseng FPSP ni kentu ke kirang ba snong ke seng samla snong ke nong som snong bat kumjuro ya kinong aywayin ba nakaliang jungi ke FPSP Nimkwa ba pipin pediang ye kita gibreu ibawan syong illegal ba syong illegal na po asam bagin one flat rate pat sepo kadong berkatan jongi dan nakaliang jongi ke FTSP ni kentu ban ngira karpat jur ini bat ngida ongro ini ba pindai ba umbit ban sya lane ban pediang kumi kini gibreu ba sabe na asam bagin pediang bagin wan syong ban sa apa ngalia ban ngiburo ka jing maham nakaliang kasang FTSP kumjo kan kalian ke SU ibu ro kajing maham ya ki kinang song snong ada ngilap ya kino ki snong ki ba penkhen habedai berkene nado kene kesni dan kalian tungi kaseng sa simpat bagi we gilat kinti ki bakam tenge tanggine hi kentien kalian tungi ke FSP ngirang donro I ba mai gan sa ai jingmut lam ban ya kren lang ban ya khai ya tailang habedai berkene ka mat ka ba ni kalian kaseng ni rekam nang le ie abai dai berkini kan bordar ni syam bisa nado na khana para ado hini gilom nang kemai kan gini gini le syukur
ki si bornyak circle karantat ke jingron nang jam ka FKGP bornyak circle iwan hagane kaya.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.